Ready to race. Gates open, they're up and racing. Chekong's best draws for your lead. Bowarine running by the rail and Dottie outside, moving up. Wondrous Wind, followed by Sir Ferdinand, Divine Wisdom, and trailing the group is Townsend. As they race towards the last 900, now we have Bowarine takes up the running by 2. Chekong's best shuffle back in second, racing in third, Wondrous Wind. Sir Ferdinand is down in fourth, followed by entry number 2, Divine Wisdom, and Townsend still bringing up the rear as they rounded the last 600 with Bowarine by about 3 lengths now. Chekong's best getting closer once again in second together with Sir Ferdinand. Divine Wisdom racing in fourth, down in fifth, Wondrous Wind, Townsend as they turn for home. Bowarine, Chekong's best moving up on the outside. Sir Ferdinand down on the inside and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Bowarine moving up by the rail. We have Bowarine, Sir Ferdinand by the rail. Sir Ferdinand finally close between Sir Ferdinand, Bowarine. Then comes Chekong's best, Divine Wisdom.
Meron tayong close for first between entries number 3, Sir Ferdinand, at yung numero 4, Bowarine na medyo